Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
It is believed that driving an EV can help you reduce your carbon footprint, but limited availability of good quality batteries is a major challenge for electric vehicles in India. A startup called Octa Range has addressed this problem.
So on a broader scale, the energy landscape throughout the globe is changing. We are shifting from oil-based economies to battery-based economies, chemistry-based economies. So that's where the problem of a good quality battery pack that can last long and charge fast is the need of the hour. Tackling this problem statement, we are addressing the core problem of good quality batteries to power the electric vehicle fleets in India. So our core technology is in terms of three pillars. So we call it as an electronic pillar, thermal pillar, and electrochemical pillar. So in thermal pillar, we have novel patented technologies in all the aspects like liquid cooling, flash cooling. In terms of two-wheeler application, we have developed passive cooling technologies. Basically what it does is in a hot climate like India, the batteries are getting heated up. So we have all the thermal management system inside the batteries that can cool the batteries in a hot climate like India. Also that enables us to push more amount of current and thus charge the battery as a very faster rate. So that's why by leveraging all these thermal tools, we are able to get the maximum life and the performance from a battery. So that was about our thermal pillar. The second is our electronics. So when I say like a good electronics for a battery pack is in the form of a battery management system. So we have developed three verticals for our BMS: a low speed, like a low voltage vertical, mid voltage, and a high voltage vertical. So we are commercializing our low voltage vertical first. So low voltage vertical basically includes all the two-wheelers and three-wheeler category of electric vehicles in India. So the prototype that we have developed and currently under pilot stage is of a 5 kilowatt hour battery pack for an electric three-wheeler application. So how we are able to achieve the impact is on the final level is on the customer is the driver. So basically traditionally each of the ride that a driver does normally is around 100-120 kilometers after full charging a battery. So what we offer to them is like once your battery is discharged, our battery is able to charge it at a very ultra fast rate. So like within 15 minutes you can recharge your battery, so that within the same day you can make twice the rides that you were doing earlier. So he's able to earn at least 1.5 to 2 times of his annual income that's there. So the impact is on the gig economy. They are able to deliver more number of rides per day, get more money. On a battery level, these are good quality battery packs. They are all compliant with the AI standards that have been recently amended by the government, as well as they are fireproof, fire retardant battery packs. So there is no cause or there is no fire incidents happening inside the batteries. So we have patented all these technologies starting from the cell electrochemistry level up till the battery pack manufacturing and the assembly line. So the complete value chain we have secured. So our objective is to get started with two-wheeler segment and then move on gradually forwards. So range anxiety is one of the critical thing. So when a driver drives, especially our target market is the logistic market. So suppose I am driving with 500 kg weight or 1000 kg weight, the impact on the range is quite different in both cases. So that's why we have focused on real-time range prediction in our in our battery management system. So depending on how much payload I am carrying, how is the health of my battery, how is the road condition, whether there is more traffic, less traffic, all those parameters we predict and calculate the range. The range anxiety part we have minimized, and speaking of the more number of kilometers, so our battery pack is clocks 120 kilometers full charge. So that's a typical intercity, intracity ride that a delivery executive wants. So that point is also taken care. So one word like stackability. So when I say stackability, our product is stackable. It's a Lego based product that we have developed. So I'm saying like from 5 to 50 kilowatt hours, all kinds of battery pack with a single stackable unit we can make. Stackable thermally, electronically, mechanically. So as we can see behind me, there are a few of the topologies of products. So different sizes, each OEM will have its different requirement in terms of capacity, sizing, chemistry. So it's a stackable module. So that's how we are able to rapidly scale up our manufacturing as well. So that's how we differentiate ourselves from the existing players. So the cost part is mainly we have the tech is developed to suit the different battery commercial models, the battery as a service model, vehicle as a service model. So the executive and the delivery partner need not bear the upfront cost of the battery pack. A battery pack can be swappable. We can give it on lease. Even the battery pack and the vehicle also can be given on lease. The charges are based on the per kilowatt hour. Right now we are upwards of 10-12% from the industry standards because of the high cost of bill of material and the liquid cooling system. But we are able to get more life out of the battery pack. So that's how we are recovering the extra premium cost that the OEM is paying us. So speaking of the target market, that's the Indian logistics market. We are focused mainly on two-wheelers, three-wheelers market. So because the volume right now will be more and it's crossing already 1 lakhs a monthly basis. So first we'll be commercializing our technology with and the manufacturing for that with our 300 megawatt hour manufacturing plant in Pune. So as soon as that technology gets matured, products are on the ground and it's validated altogether, we will be soon moving to high voltage segment, wherein the battery packs of upwards 320 volts like the electric buses, trucks and the tractor kind of vehicles. The heavier application market we will be catering it with the batteries. So the future is one aspect of the future that we can see is the fast charging of the battery packs, and battery packs will be in way more cheaper than the conventional IC vehicles that are there right now. So the cost difference will be shifting the consumer mentality towards purchasing the EVs. Operational cost is anyway extremely less, and only thing that's currently lacking is the convenience because it's taking too much time to charge the batteries, and all those problems will be solved through electrochemistry and through a special technology stack like that we have developed. So we predict that by 2028 to 2030, all the vehicles that will be selling in the Indian market will be all the electric vehicles, and all those vehicles will be having capacity to get fully charged within 5 to 10 minutes.